how to see visited or viewed stories on your Facebook. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can see the viewed story of others on your history while using your Facebook app. First of all, you have to make sure that your Facebook was updated. Then you have to open up your Facebook. On the top right, there is a three bar option. Go for that. Scroll down, click on setting and privacy, and again click on setting. So you have to scroll down in your activity log. You have to click on the activity log. After that, here you have to go for the story activity. So here you can view your story history activity. After that, if you want to delete your story history activity, then you have to click on the three dot and go for remove reaction. So if you want to delete your story activity, then you have to go for this and click on clear all, then your activity will be cleared. After that, again you have to click on that. You can select the category, go for that. You have to select the date that you want to see. So here you can see that. So that's the process how to see, visited or view the history on your Facebook account. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.